Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my channel Foody Fanclub. Today I am going to make Semolina Uttapam, which is really healthy and delicious too. So please note down the required ingredients. It is a popular South Indian breakfast recipe. It is like a thick pancake made from semolina and few some chopped veggies. Maybe my recipe is different from others, so please watch this video until end to make a delicious uttapam like this. So let's start. Here I have a 1 cup of semolina or rava. It's almost 250 grams of rava. Now I am going to add a half cup of yogurt and a little water at a time. Mix it well. For smooth batter I need some more water, so I am going to add more water and mix it well. Okay, now our batter is ready, so rest it for 30 minutes. If you haven't time, then 10 minutes is also enough. Now we are going to make a special recipe for our semolina batter. So let's start. Heat up the pan on medium heat. I am going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. Oil is hot enough. So it's time to add 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds, 4 to 5 curry leaves, 1/4 tablespoon of Asofoetida, 1 chopped chilli. If you are going to make this uttapam for a children or you really don't prefer the spicy food, then skip chilies. Stir it for a while. It's time to add finely chopped onion. It's a half cup of onion. Mix it well. At a time, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1/4 tablespoon of black pepper powder. It's give really nice flavor to our uttapam. Stir it for a minute. At this stage, I am going to add a chopped tomato and mix it really well. Add salt as per your taste. Here I am using 1 tablespoon of salt because I didn't add into a semolina batter. See, our tomato is almost smooth. So our mixture is ready and the texture is looking really nice. You can see this texture. Now I am gonna add this mixture into our semolina batter. Here I have a half cup of coriander leaves, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and mix all those ingredients really well. If you feel that the batter is thick, so you can also add water at a time. Now our uttapam batter is ready. Now it's time to fry. So heat up the pan or a tawa on a medium heat. Okay, now our pan is hot enough, so take a sufficient batter with the help of spoon and pour into the center of the pan and spread it like this. If you cannot spread it well, you can add a little water at a time and mix it well. It will be spread easily. You can see within a few seconds my uttapam color is changed. Now I am going to drizzle little oil around the edge and on the top and let it cook on medium-low heat. Please do not rush and do not increase the flame into high, otherwise it will stay raw from inside. Now my uttapam color is totally changed from the top. So it's time to flip it up. Oh wow! You can see it's nice golden brown and slightly crispy. It takes a little longer time to cook. Our uttapam looks really nice golden brown and as well as well cooked. With the same process, I am going to make also one more uttapam. These are slightly crispy around the edges and from the outside, but very soft and fluffy from the inside. Okay, now our delicious uttapam is ready. So it's time to serve. Especially I prefer uttapam with mint chutney and yogurt. So I am going to serve with it. So try this recipe and share your experience in the comments below. If you really like my recipe, then please do not forget to like and share with your friends. And subscribe to my channel to get more video updates.